In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SLA policies in Freshservice. We'll walk through where to find your SLA settings, how to fine-tune the default policy, and how to build a new SLA policy from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to set clear response and resolution goals for each ticket priority, and how to apply those goals to the right tickets automatically. Start by opening the SLA settings. In Freshservice, go to Admin, then Service Management, then Service Desk Settings, and select SLA and OLA policies. You'll land on a page that lists your default SLA and any custom policies you've created. If you want to adjust the existing default SLA, click Edit. This is optional, but it's a great place to start because it applies broadly. Set the first response and resolution times for each priority: urgent, high, medium, and low. First response is when the requester first hears back from your team, while resolution is when the issue is fully solved. Align time targets with your team's capacity and the business impact of each priority. For example, urgent should be tighter than low, but make sure the targets are realistic so your team can consistently meet them. Next, choose whether these targets count in business hours or calendar hours. Business hours respect your help desk's working schedule and holidays, which is ideal for standard operating hours. Calendar hours count continuously, including nights and weekends, which makes sense for 24/7 coverage or critical services. Turn on escalation email if you want automatic notifications when SLAs are at risk or breached. Set escalation levels to alert the right people at the right times, such as notifying a team lead before breach and a manager at breach. Keep the audience targeted so escalations drive action, not noise. When you're satisfied, click Save. To create a new SLA policy for specific scenarios, click New SLA Policy. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your team knows when it applies. Define SLA targets for each priority. Again, set both first response and resolution times. Then add trigger conditions to control when this policy applies. For example, you can target tickets based on category, assignment group, or other attributes, ensuring the policy only kicks in for the relevant work. This is especially useful for dedicated teams or specialized services that need different turnaround times. When you're done, click Save. That's it. You've learned how to configure your default SLA and create a targeted SLA policy in Freshservice so your team can respond and resolve issues consistently and transparently.